Let's pair your motion sensor with the remote control. So first, prepare your motion sensor. Take everything out of the box. And open the motion sensor. Notice there's an arrow? Slide the lid in the opposite direction. Unclick the battery compartment. And let's fit your 2 AAA batteries in the compartment. Now let's prepare your remote control. Remove the back cover and remove the plastic tab. Make sure the sensor is on 0. Press P2 twice on the remote control and you'll hear a beep. Now on the sensor, press once. You'll hear 5 beeps. Your motion sensor and remote control are now paired, so let's adjust the sensitivity. On 1, your sensor will be the most sensitive, and on 9, the sensor will be the less sensitive. So for awnings, we recommend setting it between 4 and 5. You can adjust it with a screwdriver. If you'd like more tips for your awning, subscribe to our channel.